How's it going, everybody? Moon360 is back with another video, and today we're going to do an unboxing and quick setup of the new 2019 Kindle Oasis 3, specifically the 4G LTE model with 32GB, and this is also the Graphite model of the Oasis. So I've been in the market for a e-reader for a long time now, and I just heard about this, the release of the Kindle Oasis a few days ago on the 24th, and I went ahead to my local Best Buy and picked this one up for $375 after taxes and everything. So this is almost a $400 device, and it's crazy that an e-reader can cost this much. But this is the top of the line Kindle Oasis. It's the 4G LTE model, as I said before, and yeah, I'm just really excited to open this up and see what it has to offer. So this is the packaging of the Oasis. It's the familiar blue Amazon packaging, frustration-free packaging they call it. And on the back, it's just we have some information about the product. Let's just go ahead and get this box open up. So let me first rip off the plastic, the outer plastic, slide out the box itself. Kindle Oasis Graphite. They also have this available in champagne gold as another color option. And as you can see, it says, "The world has hers for the reading." Barry Smith, famous author, quote from a famous author. And on the back we have the most advanced Kindle yet. Our new adjustable front light can be fine-tuned from cool to warm amber and automatically adapts to ideal brightness. Our large display, dedicated page turn buttons, and ergonomic design lets you read comfortably for hours. Reads like real paper, even in bright sunlight, with a glare-free 300 ppi display and laser-quality text. Waterproof, so you're free to read and relax at the beach, by the pool, and or in the bath. Enjoy more books with Audible. Pair with Bluetooth headphones or speakers to switch seamlessly between reading and listening. Keep reading. A single charge also lasts for hours. Blah blah blah. And it also has a 7-inch display, adjustable warm light, page turn buttons, waterproof IPX8, and WAN, which means cellular connectivity, in the 32GB model. So let's go ahead and open up this box with the simple frustration-free packaging design that Amazon has. So let's just rip that open, and very simple as that. So I guess the biggest difference between the Oasis 3 and the Oasis 2, last generation Oasis, is that this Oasis has something called adjustable warm light, which means that you can make the screen warmer at night to make it easier on the eyes. It's similar to this thing called night mode and night light, whatever it's called on iOS and Android. It's a blue light filter, basically. So yeah, I think it's a great addition to the Oasis, but whether or not it's worth the $249, which is the price for the base model, is up to you to decide. And of course, they also included a micro USB cable. Unfortunately, it's not USB Type-C, and there's no charging brick included, unfortunately, which is ridiculous, because I think for a $349 device, you gotta include a charging brick and a USB Type-C, right? And yeah, let's slide this out of the plastic. So we have the Amazon logo on the back, and it's I thought this would be a lot bigger in the pictures. It looks a lot bigger in the pictures, but actually it's compact and lightweight and thin. On the top we have a power button, and we have the page turn buttons, and on the bottom we have the micro USB charging port. And that's all for the ports and buttons. Nothing on the sides and nothing on the back, except for the Amazon logo. So let's go ahead and power on the device so I can go through the setup process with you guys. So you simply just hold the power button for a few seconds and release, and there you go, Kindle. We have the little boy under the tree as their logo for the Kindle line of devices. So yeah, I'm just really excited to read with this and see what it has to offer. And in a few weeks, next week or so, I'll give you guys a full video review of this device and compare it to my Paperwhite as well, and see if it's worth the upgrade if you're coming from an Oasis 2 or the original Oasis. So yeah, as you can see, it's preparing my Kindle. It might take some time because this is a first setup, but I think this Oasis, it's also waterproof, as I said before, and the box mentioned it. It's IPX8 waterproof, water resistant. It can withstand immersion into 2 meters of fresh water for up to 60 minutes, which I think is a great feature. So you can read in the pool, read by the bath, or read at the beach. And if you'd like, you can read underwater as well. So here's my Paperwhite for comparison, my Paperwhite 4, and you can see the Paperwhite has a 6-inch display, and the Oasis has a 7-inch display. So you can see that the Paperwhite is a lot smaller than the Oasis. And as I said before, keep it locked here at Moon360. I'll do a full video comparison between the Oasis 3 and the Paperwhite 4. And yeah, and it's asking me to set up on my Wi-Fi. I'll connect later because I want to use the LTE network, because that's the whole point, right? If you bought an LTE model, might as well as use the LTE version, LTE feature of the Oasis. So it's connecting to Amazon. Register my Kindle. I'm going to use an existing Amazon account. So please bear with me as I go off camera to enter my account name and password. I'll be done in just a moment. And I'm back. Look, it has my time already displayed correctly. Hello, Muen. And let's continue. Get Kindle for your phones. I'm not going to do that because the whole point of buying a Kindle is so I don't have to read on my phone. Audible trial, no thank you. It's asking me to connect to Bluetooth so I can listen to audiobooks and stuff like that. I'm going to do that later. And now I'm almost done, I think. It's telling me how to navigate my Kindle. Yeah, pretty exciting stuff. Next, quick actions. More on home, updating your home screen experience. And yeah, this is the home screen of the Kindle Oasis. Looks just like any other the home screen you'd find on the regular Kindle and the Kindle Paperwhite. It's the same software that they use for all the Kindles, but this one does not have the sponsored screensavers or special offers, as they would say, because this is the top of the line 4G LTE 32 gigabyte model. It's $370, and if it has ads, that would be like outrageous, right? Yeah, so that's going to be it for this video. Keep it locked here at Moon360 for additional content about the Kindle Oasis. I'm planning to do a full video review of all the features, a walkthrough of all the features and cool things about this product sometime next week. And I will bring that to you guys here on the channel. So keep it locked here at Moon360. And if you've enjoyed this video, please comment, like, subscribe. And if you are also looking to buy a Kindle Oasis, let me know in the comments if you would upgrade to the Oasis 3, if you have an Oasis 2 already, and just your overall opinion on the Kindle Oasis. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, subscribe, comment, like, share this video with your friends. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye-bye.